Hey friends, this is Amit once again, and today in this video you will see a very obscure and kind of lesser known feature of PHP. Is one of the most popular function called explode. So if you have been working with PHP, you might have used this explode function in scenarios where you want to extract out something or some segments out of a string based on a separator. So let me show you this through an example. So I have an example ready over here. So here in this example, I have a string. This contains the books, the name of the books, and what I want is I want to extract out these book names and have it this as an array. So I will use this explode function. So the explode function accepts two parameter. These two are mandatory one. The first one is the separator, the second one is the string. So the separator in this case is the pipe operator, and in this case these book names are separated by this pipe operator, so that's why the separator is pipe operator, and the second parameter is a string. So the explode function will break down this string based on this operator and will return us segments through this from this string, and will return us an array. Let's see what happens when we run this. So as you can tell, the explode function return us an array, and this contains the segments that it broken down based on the separator. Now this is fine, but explode function also accepts a third parameter or option that is also an optional one, and it is called limit. Let me show you. So as you can see, the explode function function signature contains the first parameter is separator, the second is string, and the third parameter is limit, which is a which should be an integer. So what this will do is it will basically limit the number of segments that explode can return. So let me show you how it works actually. So if I provide 2 over here as a limit, and if we run the program once again, you will see this time around we only got 2 segments because we provide the limit as 2, and that is why it has returned the 2 segments over here, because the first segment is book 1 and the second segment is the entire remaining string. Let's see what happens when we provide 3 over here. We'll run it once again. As you can see, this time around it has returned 3 segments, book 1, book 2, and the rest of the string. Now this is fine, but I will show you a more practical and real world scenario where you can use this approach of using explode. So I have the example ready. I will just replace it over here. Now as you can see, I have a string over here that is my website, and the second is the website itself. So this one be a title, and this is the website itself. So what I want is I want to extract out the title and the website out of this string using explode. But let me first show you what happens when we use explode the usual way or the normal way. So I will use the colon as a separator and the string as a second parameter. Now let's see what happens. So using the explode normal way, it has returned us 3 segments, obviously because the first is my website, because it has separated out based on the column. The second column is also there in the URL itself, right? And that's why the second segment is HTTP and the third segment is rest of the string. But this is not what we wanted, right? So what we will do is we'll pass in the third parameter, that is limit s2, and we will get our desired result. We'll run it once again. So as you can see, this time around it has returned us the correct number of segments that we initially wanted, or that is what we desired initially, right? So this is how we can manipulate the number of segments using explode. Now this is fine, but we can improve it further by using the PHP's array destructuring. So for instance, I will just capture the first segment as title, and the second segment as website. Now I will first show you what title will print. As you can see, it has printed my website, and I will now print website, and we'll run it once again. As you can see, it has now printed the website. So this is how you can improve this particular functionality further, and it kind of the extension of this particular feature. And that is what I wanted to show you in this particular video, how you can actually limit the number of segments written by the explode function. And that's it. So if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.